Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to check the amount of money you spent on Steam. So the first thing you have to do is open up Steam. I have a desktop shortcut here. Click it open. Once Steam is open, what you need to do is go to the top left corner and see a button that says Help. Click on Help. Then it will show you a list of options. Click on the top that says Steam Support. So here on the Steam support page, you'll scroll down and select the option that says My Account. And under the My Account page, you'll scroll down and click on the option that says Data related to your Steam account. And once you open the data related to your Steam account, you'll scroll down and look for an option that says External Funds Used. Click on this button. And here it is. Here is the amount you've spent, and you can see the amount you've spent on Steam on this page. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.